Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Now this is similar to another gun, which is, I think it's very similar to this one. And this is their Wild West collection by Gonher. And they've actually done, this is basically a box set, okay? And the gun is very similar to this gun here that I'm gonna show later. It's just that what they did is they took this gun and they put it into a holster and a belt. Okay, because this gun is available by itself. And this is item number, what is item number? 101. I know 101. I think it's item 101. It's normally right here, but I can't. They never put the, see, I think it's item 101. And they're made in Spain. They're die cast. And that's what this gun is. It's solid die cast, okay? And this is an 8-shot. Oh no, this is roll caps. This one takes roll caps. You just pull it back and you put the roll of caps in here, okay? And boom, you can start shooting. Like it comes with a holster and a belt. And that is in this is the Wild West collection. Now this one is item number, the Wild West collection with the holster and the belt is 201, item 201, item 201. And that is item 201, item 0201, and that is the Western Wild West collection 8-shot die-cast metal made in Spain. And this is another great die-cast gun for kids. At ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com, hit the notification button, and have a great day.